Tonight we're making shrimp scampi, one of our feature recipes in our new series called Quick and Easy 20-Minute Meals. If you want to bring some excitement to your family dinner time, shrimp scampi is definitely one of the dishes that you should make. Even the name, shrimp scampi, sounds exciting. It looks and tastes like a gourmet meal served at a fine dining restaurant, and it's easy to make. Shrimp scampi, a quick and easy 20-minute meal. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight we're making shrimp scampi, one of the featured recipes in our new Quick and Easy 20-Minute Meals series. If you want to bring some excitement to your family dinner time, shrimp scampi is definitely one of the dishes that you can make. Even the name shrimp scampi sounds exciting. It looks and tastes like a gourmet meal served at a fine dining restaurant, and it's very easy to make. Here's our mise en place for tonight's dish. 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. A dash each of salt, pepper, and seafood seasoning. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 stick of butter. 4 cloves of minced garlic. 1 cup of dry white wine. 1 cup of chicken stock. 1 ounce of lemon juice. A dash of salt, pepper, and seafood seasoning. And for our side dish, we're using linguine, a dash of salt for the water, and a dash of turmeric for the color. And we'll garnish the dish with 4 ounces of freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano cheese and 4 sprigs of freshly chopped parsley. Our first step is to bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Anytime that you cook pasta, the water should be salted like the sea and at a rapid boil. As an option, add a dash of turmeric to the water. This will give the pasta a golden yellow look, which adds color to the plate presentation. Turn the oven on to warm, which is 170 degrees. Next, add a few pieces of butter and some extra virgin olive oil to a stainless steel pan and bring the heat up to medium-low. We don't want the butter and olive oil to burn, and shrimp doesn't take a lot of time to heat or cook, so medium-low heat works the best. Season the shrimp with salt, fresh ground pepper, and the seafood seasoning, and saute them for 2 minutes on each side. Then wrap the shrimp in a sheet of aluminum foil and place them in the warm oven. And now we'll make the sauce. In the same pan, add in a few tablespoons of butter. When the butter melts, add in the minced garlic and cook it for 1 minute. Then add in the wine, the chicken stock, and the lemon juice, and use a wooden spoon to deglaze the pan and stir the sauce. Bring it to a simmer and let it reduce by half. Add in the remaining butter and a dash of the salt, pepper, and seafood seasoning and stir it in. Remove the shrimp from the oven and add them into the sauce. Stir them in and then turn off the heat. Our special guest tonight decided that he wanted angel hair instead of linguine. Angel hair only takes about 4 minutes to cook, so that's why we can wait until the shrimp is finished to start the angel hair. One quick note, some people put oil in their water to keep the pasta from sticking. I wouldn't recommend putting oil in the water. We want the sauce to stick to the pasta, and oil can cause the sauce to slide off of the pasta. So just use your pasta spoon to keep the pasta from sticking, but don't put oil in the water. Now that everything is done, you can add your angel hair right into the pan of shrimp scampi and the sauce. Gently stir the sauce throughout the pasta. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is, Shrimp Scampi, one of our quick and easy 20-minute meals. Peeled and deveined shrimp, seasoned and sautéed in butter and olive oil, with a sauce made from butter, garlic, and white wine. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.